The COUNTIFS function in Excel is used to count the number of items that meet multiple criteria. In this case, we have some student information and we want to complete this task. We want to count the number of seniors with a less than 70 final average. We're using an if-else because we have two criteria to meet. The student has to be a senior and the final average has to be less than 70. Okay, so we can do this in a couple of ways. We can look at the seniors and use that as the first criteria, or we can use the less than 70 for the first criteria. It does not matter what order you use. So we want seniors. We'll just go ahead and start there. The classification is found in column D. And what you need to remember is that you cannot use as your criteria the word senior, because there's not a word senior here. You have to use the abbreviation that is in the column, which is SR for senior. Okay. Now, we want to look at those with less than 70 for the final average. So our final average is in column K, and the criteria there is going to be less than 70. Again, it has to meet both criteria, that the student is a senior and has an average of less than 70. So we can see that there are two students that meet both of those criteria.